Okay, welcome to Mexico. They searched through my camper looking for contraband, but who smuggles contraband into Mexico? Now all I gotta do is find the office for my FFM, which is the tourist visa, and we'll be on our way. So I'm just gonna ask and find out. Hola, ¿dónde está la oficina por la FFM?
Tiene que ser los atrás del carro. En las puertas de vidrio hasta el fondo.
¿Camina?
Sí.
Sí, ok. ¿Está bien aquí?
Tiene que ir hasta allá.
¿Está auto?
Sí, ahí está
Sí,
bien.
okay. And there's my shitty Spanish.
1 hour later.
Okay, FFM done. That's the tourist card you gotta get. And I'm now officially in Mexico. They certainly don't seem to care who comes in, that's for sure. Pretty much you just fly right by the border. Maybe it'll be just as easy coming back. Alright, let's drive down the coast a little bit. Apparently this side road takes us to like some salt flats. So let's start the Baja off-road here, about 100 km from the border. I've yet to find a SIM card. Some dummy on the internet said, oh yeah, just go into any OXXO, which are like 7-Elevens, and they have them everywhere. And I tried 4, and finally one lady said, yeah, I know, you can't get them here. The great salt flats of the Baja. It's 2 p.m. and I finally found a SIM card. It took me half a day of running in and out of different stores to finally find one, but now I'm connected. I'm gonna cruise down the coast some more. I've got some spots that I've marked on the map using iOverlander, which is a pretty good app to use for people who have posted where they can camp and different spots. So I'm gonna try and find some cheap tacos somewhere, maybe find a tienda for a few supplies. And then I'll pull over hopefully by the beach somewhere for the night and continue on. Tomorrow will be a long driving day and we'll see how far we get. All right, let's get back on the road. It's 3:30. I've pulled off the highway onto this beach road. Lots of uneven rocks. Welcome to my home for tonight. A nice rocky outcrop by the beach. Fairly secluded. This stretch of the Baja, there was nothing. I didn't find any little places to eat, barely found a tienda. Got a few snacks, but luckily I have provisions, so I'll be able to eat for tonight. And hopefully tomorrow I'll find a town a bit bigger where I can actually find some real food and stock up on some supplies. But otherwise, I'm gonna catch up on some editing in this beautiful spot, and we'll see you guys again tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.